Mĩeri 6 kuma rĩrĩa mũrimũ wa COVID-19 watonyire Kenya na kũgũmĩra andũ matanyihĩire 38,000 na ikuũ 700 hamwe na kwagagia mĩthingi ya bũrũri, anyiti itemi mbara-inĩ ya COVID-19 maugĩte bũrũri nĩ ũthomete.
We had zero testing capacity. No lab in Kenya had the capacity to test COVID-19. We were sending the samples, the first samples were sent to South Africa. And today, we have 38 labs.
They had as little or no local capacity to produce PPEs. But today, there are counties who are undertaking local production of PPEs.
We had 8 beds in Kenya, 8 infectious disease beds. And today, we can almost argue that almost every county has got some semblance of a capacity that is almost higher than what we had in the entire country.
Kĩwonjoria thirikari yugĩte mĩtaratara ĩrĩa yambĩkire ya gũthaitĩra wonjoria na mawĩra bũrũri-inĩ ta kũnyihia magoti, kwanjĩrĩria mawĩra ma gũteithia ayuthi, gũteithia famĩlĩ iria itehotete na mangĩ nĩ yateithũrire bũrũri haraya, na rĩu thirikari ĩrorete kũrurumũkia wonjoria.
Were it not for those immediate intervention, things will have been different. Right. And that's why Kenya is different from the rest of the region. We were expected to grow at a -1%. But now our growth is at 2.6%, the highest in Africa.
We have been investing labor-intensive programs in the counties so that these young people trained at the PC Roads College can get employment, but also contribute to the building of the local economy.
And to this we are now trying to support, by all means, particularly the micro, small and medium enterprises, by coming up with a credit guarantee scheme.
Hĩndĩ ĩno yothe ya COVID-19, Akenya makoretwo magĩũka hamwe kũmanĩrĩria na ona kũheana ũteithio kũhetũkĩra gĩkundi kĩa ũteithio wa COVID gĩa kĩbũrũri kĩrĩa gĩacokanĩrĩria ũteithio ũcio gĩkoretwo gĩkĩgaĩra famĩlĩ iria igũmĩirwo nĩ moritũ ma COVID-19 hamwe na kũhũra njeki rũhonge rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ na matharaita ma kwĩgitĩra.
And I can guarantee we can buy Kenya and build Kenya. The more important was a spirit of giving. So we got very many calls in our secretariat about how can I, as a church group, as a family, as youth, go and donate somewhere else. So there's a real good thing that Kenyans have from a spirit, and I think we should never forget that.
Ngwatanĩro nyũmba-inĩ cia ihoero mĩeri-inĩ ĩyo 6 ikoretwo ithingithĩtio na ona kũrĩ hĩndĩ andũ matangĩagomanire na etĩkia magĩthundũra mĩeke ya kũhũthĩra mĩtambo ya kĩrĩu nĩguo tawa wa kĩroho ndũkahorio nĩ nduma ya COVID-19.
We have seen that it has revealed the underbelly of family health. In other words, that our families are having bad health. We've had so many incidents of domestic violence. But I think this is going to challenge us going forward, that we must have a kind of a programmatic attention. COVID has taught us, if we keep a firm grasp of hope throughout, irrespective of the challenge and the threat, that hope would drive us humanly to do much greater than even what we had thought before.
Andũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.